Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. In this video I will be showing you how to make a short natural afro wig. Please continue watching. If you are new, please subscribe. If you are an old subscriber, thanks for being here. I really appreciate. And please don't forget to comment, share, like my video, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell below so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys. So guys, this is how far I have gone. So as you can see, I'm doing it a little bit closer because I don't want the wig to have a lot of space. guys, I'm so loving this wig. Can't you see? It looks so natural. Let me wear it for you guys to see. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love the wig so much. It looks so natural. What do you guys think? Please leave your comments below and tell me what you think about this wig. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next one.